What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the second wine, the second label of famous first growth of the Pauillac appellation on the left bank of the Bordeaux wine region of Château Latour. This is their second wine that is more affordable, a little simpler, not as age-worthy, but still a fantastic wine. So how do you go about pronouncing this name? Well, Les Forts de Latour, which essentially translates into the forts of Latour. Les Forts, so the S at the end of fort is silent. Do not pronounce it, do not say Les Forts, but rather Les Forts de Latour. Les Forts de Latour Pauillac wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here are more videos to learn more about Bordeaux wines. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.